I got a collab, I got a collab. What's up everyone? My name is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. So, all of y'all who've been rocking with me these past 2 to 3 years, I can't even remember when I started, but we have come a long way. We have moved up in the beauty community. We have gotten on major brand PR lists. We've gotten on indie brand affiliate lists and PR lists. And today I am so happy to introduce you guys to my first official collaboration with NIMAE Beauty. I am so excited to share this collab with you guys today. It has been a long time coming and I hope you guys enjoy these products and love them as much as I do. So without further ado, let's get started.
Un ladrón se robó mi corazón. Tú no tienes sentimiento ni tampoco corazón. Ay, un ladrón.
I have, I don't even remember when it was, but I tweeted sometime last year, my goal was to have a collab with a brand. I knew it wasn't gonna be a big brand because we do have a tiny platform here and on Twitter and on Instagram. A little bit after that, Tisha Nicole from NIMAE Beauty, the owner of NIMAE Beauty, she reached out to me and was like, hey, I saw your tweet. I would love to do something with you. And if you guys don't know, if you haven't followed me, the very first PR list I was put on for makeup was with NIMAE Beauty. So I was like, yeah, that sounds amazing. I would love to help. I would love to come up with some products to, promote and sell with my stamp of approval on them. I love the company. I love everything that they've put out thus far. And so I felt like this was a great opportunity for me to do my first collab with. Anyway, so I don't even remember when this started. It was sometime in 2019. I just know that she sent me a whole bunch of lashes and a whole bunch of lipsticks, and we were just sitting down swatching and trying and taking pictures and looking at them from the side and the front and upside down until I settled on these 3 things. So first we are going to introduce you to the Titan Lash. Yes, they are named after my baby boy Titan, my dog. I have them on right now, and these are really just the perfect lash. They're flared, they are nice and wispy so they won't overpower your lash. You can wear them with a bold, dramatic look like I kind of have today. I mean, it's dramatic-ish. I mean, even though I did use neutral colors and golds and browns, but you could wear it with a really big eye look, or you could wear it with a really simple pared down eye look. That's what I love the most about these lashes. They are so versatile and you can get so many wears out of them. When I say so many, the first pair of lashes that I got from these, I wore them on October 1st. And I know that because I went back in our messages and I looked, because I took a picture of them and I said, this is it. And I wore those lashes in almost every look that I did that was posted on Instagram, that was posted on YouTube, that was posted on Twitter. I wore those lashes for almost every single look that I did until the new year. That was one pair of lashes. It got to the point where I was only wearing these lashes and I had to be like, Duana, you gotta wear another lash. You have so many other pairs of lashes. You got a box full of lashes. You buy lashes, you are sent lashes, you need to wear those lashes. But these really, really, really and truly are my favorite lash that I have been wearing for the past, I wanna say 8 or 9 months. And I love them so much. So before I get into the next couple of products, I'm going to insert a little lash application tutorial for you guys who might be intimidated to buy this, this collab because you don't know how to put lashes on. So I'm gonna teach you. And so just stay tuned and we're gonna watch it right now. So here we have the lash, and it already has glue on it and has been sitting for about 90 seconds. I am looking down into my mirror because that allows me to see my entire lash line. I'm going to put my lash directly on top of my lash line and then secure the outside and the inside edges. And it's really just as simple as that. The trick to putting on lashes is making sure that your glue is tacky enough. I currently use the Kiss Brush On Lash Glue with Aloe. And if you wait about 30 to 45 seconds, your lashes should be tacky enough to apply lickety split. I'm doing the same exact thing. Look down into your mirror. Apply the false lash in the middle of your lash line. Secure the inner and the outer edges. And you are done. And there you have it. This is the Bulma lipstick. Of course, I could not name my lashes Titan without naming something after my baby girl Bulma. Y'all know how Boo Boo gets into everything? She gets into everything, right? So Tisha sent me a couple lipsticks, and Bulma ate them. Like when Reggie came and took them out of the mailbox and put them on our entryway table, and Boo Boo, she jumped up onto the table because she does that. Like she just puts her paws on them, and she pulled the bag down and she ate this lipstick. And I sent a picture to Tisha. I was like, you're gonna have to send me another one because Boo Boo ate it. What I did was I cut the bottom off with a serrated knife, and then I tested it, and I was like, yep, this is it. I was like, Boo Boo knows. She picked it out, so it's named after her. What I love about this shade of lipstick is that it is a specific type of nudie peach brown that can be paired with multiple liners. Today I have it paired with the Alamar Cosmetics Coquetta lip liner, but you can pair it with reddish pinkish liners. You can pair it with like mauve or purpley liners. It's just so versatile, and I love that about it. And it looks good on everybody. It really does. Paired with the right lip liner, it will look good on everybody. So this is the Bulma lipstick. Next on the list, the last part of my collab, is a lip gloss. If you have seen anything on my channel, like if you've watched any video, you know that my favorite lip is a glossy nude. And so today we have the Lover lip gloss. This lip gloss is a deep peach with gold reflex, aka shimmer. The thing that I love the most about this lip gloss is that it looks great on a multitude of skin tones, and you can wear it by itself. You can wear it on top of a lip liner, or you can do the traditional, I'm gonna put lip liner on or lipstick on and then put the gloss on over it like I did today. The main thing that I want you guys to remember with these products that I've come out with is that they are all very versatile. They're not just a one and done, like I can only wear it with this or I can only use them together. You can use them with all of your products, like almost all of them. So you'll get a lot of use out of them. You will not be wasting your money by buying these products. And they have the Glamazon 1026 stamp of approval. And so what else do you need? Y'all know that I don't come on this channel and just like sell you dreams. I really don't. Like I try to be as honest as I can on this channel to, help build the trust between me and you guys, right? These are products that I really and truly believe in, and this is a brand that I really and truly believe in. So, now that, I got all my emotional stuff out, let's get down to business, right? So we've seen the products, we've seen the applications, we've seen the swatches. How much does it cost? How much y'all think it costs? $50? $60? No, $35. $35. That's a steal. That's like just over $10 per product, and you're getting quality products. You can wear the lashes a billion times, and I'm not even exaggerating. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. But wait, there's more. You guys can use my code for 15% off. So $35 minus 15% equals $29.75 plus shipping. So you get these products for about $10 each. This is a good price. This is a good deal, y'all. This is a really good deal. Just go out and buy it because I'm telling you to. Like, please. They are available for pre-order on July 31st, today, right? And they will be shipping on August 5th. So if you guys want to get these products, just head over to NIMAEbeauty.com and put the Glam Squad Trio in your cart. You can do it right now and it will ship in a week, okay? Support your local small indie brand, support your local small influencer, like give your money to Black women. I'm gonna see if we can get a link down below so that you guys can just click straight from, you know, the description box and go and get it. My code is in the description box, but it is also glam1026 so that you guys can get the 15% off. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the notification bell to become a part of the Glam fam. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.